If you run a Discord server, setting up an AFK channel is one of the easiest ways to keep your voice chat organized and reduce clutter when people step away from their mic. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to set up a Discord AFK channel for voice chat, and I'll also show you an optional permission tweak that makes the channel even cleaner and more useful. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick Discord guides just like this. Alright, let's jump into it. First, open Discord and go to the server where you want to create the AFK channel. On the left side, you'll see your channel list and your categories. Look for the category where you want the new voice channel to live. Next to that category, click the plus icon to create a new channel. When the menu opens, make sure you select voice as the channel type, since AFK channels are usually voice channels and not text channels. After that, give the channel a clear name that everyone will understand right away. A simple name like AFK, Away, or Away Zone works really well because it makes the purpose of the channel obvious to your members. Once the name is set, click Create Channel to finish the setup. Now your AFK channel exists, but there's one more step I recommend to make it work better. You can adjust the permissions so people aren't speaking or using the channel like a regular hangout space. To do that, click the gear icon next to your new AFK channel to open the channel settings. From there, go to the Permissions tab. This is where you can control what different roles are allowed to do inside the channel. Under the @Everyone role, find the Speak permission. If you want to stop users from talking while they're sitting in the AFK channel, click the red X to disable that permission. This helps keep the channel reserved for people who are away from keyboard instead of active voice chat. Once you've changed the permission, don't forget to click Save Changes. That's it. Your Discord AFK channel is now set up and ready to use. From here, you can let your server members know that this is the place to go when they need to step away for a bit. A good AFK setup can make your server feel more professional, easier to manage, and less noisy overall. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe for more Discord tutorials, and let me know in the comments what other Discord features you want to learn next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.